So new arrivals this week. How about the 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS Tribute?
Yes.
Cranberry red over black. Got a 383 stroker. Aluminum heads, aluminium, as they say over the pond. Holly Sniper EFI, which are so cool.
Mm-hmm.
You just bolt and go, right?
Well, it's not.
I mean, not
quite that easy.
Kind of like me. I'm very, very simplistic.
They got to be tuned in.
Oh, yeah, but they've got a computer and all that stuff. So, Tremec 5-speed manual, Moser 9-inch 370 posi axle. This Nova might be splendid, you might say.
It might be splendid.